To get a free trial of the Sweethawk suite of apps and or any in particular one of the apps that we provide, all you need to do is go to the Zendesk marketplace and do a search for Sweethawk. Then you'll be able to see the app here, and we can click on that, and then at the top right hand side click on install, select your help desk here, and then install again. That will take you through to the agent or admin side of things where you can complete the installation. And then once you've done that, over from the agent side of things, you'll be able to see the app comes up appearing on the left hand side here. You'll then be able to go into the app here, register the app, and you'll be able to see all of the apps available. Next up, you'll need to start a trial of the suite here. So you can click on a yearly plan. You'll then be needing to put in your credit card details. Once you've done that, then you'll be able to come back here and then install any of the apps with a single click, and be able to test away. If you've got any questions, let us know at support@sweethawk.com. Thanks for watching.